Welcome to ShopSmart, the channel where you find detailed and unbiased product reviews to help you make the best purchasing decisions. Today, we are reviewing the Google Pixel tablet, a device that promises a premium Android experience with a unique feature. It comes with an 11-inch display, the Google Tensor G2 processor, and a charging speaker dock that transforms it into a smart display. But is it really worth it? Stay with us to find out. Let's start by analyzing the technical specifications of the Google Pixel tablet. It features an 11-inch LCD display with a resolution of 2560 by 1600 pixels, offering sharp images and vibrant colors. The processor is the Google Tensor G2, the same chip used in the latest Pixel smartphones, ensuring smooth performance for everyday tasks. The device includes 8 GB of RAM and is available in storage options of 128 GB or 256 GB. The battery promises up to 12 hours of video playback, and it runs pure Android, meaning it receives direct updates from Google. One of its standout features is the charging speaker dock, which transforms the tablet into a smart display, similar to the Google Nest Hub. This allows it to function as a central hub for smart home controls, making it useful for video calls, voice commands, and media consumption. When compared to other tablets, the Pixel tablet competes with the 10th generation iPad and the Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE. However, it differentiates itself through its deep integration with Google services and its ability to double as a smart home device. The Google Pixel tablet is designed for users looking for a versatile device that excels in entertainment and daily productivity. If you frequently use Google services like Google Photos, Google Assistant, and Google Home, this tablet provides a seamless experience with full optimization. The charging speaker dock is a major advantage, allowing hands-free video streaming and serving as a central control hub for smart devices. Additionally, the long battery life and compact design make it an excellent choice for work, study, and entertainment. Since it runs pure Android, there are no unnecessary pre-installed applications, and Google guarantees several years of software updates. But how does it perform in real-world usage? We tested the Google Pixel tablet in different scenarios, and here are the results. For streaming and media consumption, the tablet performs exceptionally well. The large display and high-quality sound from the speaker dock create an immersive experience. For everyday tasks like web browsing, social media, and email, the Google Tensor G2 processor delivers smooth performance without lag. For gaming, it runs most titles from the Google Play Store without issues, but it is not the best option for users looking for a high-performance gaming tablet. It also supports stylus pens and Bluetooth keyboards, making it a good option for productivity and note-taking. In terms of durability, the Pixel tablet has a solid build, but it does not have an official water or dust resistance rating, so extra care is required when using it outdoors. If you're enjoying this review, don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe to ShopSmart. It really helps the channel grow and brings you more in-depth product reviews. Now, let's get back to the analysis. The Google Pixel tablet is an interesting choice, especially for users who are already invested in the Google ecosystem. Here are the main pros. Pure Android experience, with guaranteed updates. Charging speaker dock, transforming it into a smart display. Excellent display and immersive sound for media consumption. Long battery life and convenient charging. However, there are some downsides. High price, especially when purchased with the speaker dock. No official water or dust resistance certification. Limited multitasking optimization compared to Samsung and Apple tablets. If you are looking for a tablet primarily for professional use or high-performance gaming, there may be better options. However, if you want a versatile tablet for entertainment, video calls, and smart home integration, this could be the perfect choice. So, is the Google Pixel tablet worth it? Overall, it stands out for its smooth Android experience, unique speaker dock feature, and high-quality display and audio performance. If you are a Google user and need a tablet that integrates well into your daily life, this could be an excellent option. Now, I want to hear from you. What do you think about this tablet? Do you think it is worth the investment, or do you prefer another option? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, subscribe to ShopSmart, and turn on notifications so you do not miss any of our detailed reviews. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.